Insert the APM-free model. Then insert the DRM package from what you have bought. Copy the two scripts from the package. And paste the scripts in the model named as station, which is located in the body model. Check which side is the left side of the carriage. Then group the parts that belong to the same side. After grouping, remove the left front TV. The location is specified in the screen. Then, duplicate the TV at the left back. Snap it, exactly, at the left front TV position. Remove the surface GUI. Rename the grouped model according to its side, either left or right. Then refer to the facing of the original GUI, set the facing direction of the DRM in folder new DRMS. Paste the corresponding side GUI to part. Scale the part downwards until reaching 0.76. Perform the same action on the right side. Please refer to this script to remove and paste scripts in suitable lines. Then, paste the scripts in this operation script, which is located under main seat. For more details regarding the installation, it will be disclosed upon payment. And here is the link for buying it through Roblox.